In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player Minecraft Dungeons Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up local co-op on Minecraft Dungeons on any console, including the Xbox One, is incredibly simple. Minecraft Dungeons features local co-op with up to 4 players on the same screen. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up two-player, but you will be able to repeat the same steps to have up to 4. So all that you need are additional Xbox controllers. You have to connect them to your Xbox One console. So you can do this wirelessly. So you will be able to sync them up with the console or with a cable, so a wired connection, whatever you prefer. You just need to make sure that the Xbox controller gets detected by the console. Once it gets picked up, usually there will be a pop-up on screen telling you to set up a user profile. So if you want to, you can create a custom user profile for that additional controller, or just use it as a guest. It doesn't matter, but it is very important that you at least choose a guest account or you set up a custom profile. Once you set up the controller, you can open up Minecraft Dungeons, and when you choose to start the game past the main menu and you are in the lobby, you will be able to choose between an offline match or an online match. All that you have to do is make sure that you select offline, and now if you look at the top right corner of the screen, it is going to tell player 2 to press down on a specific button to join. So all that player 2 has to do is press down on the specific button displayed there. Immediately upon pressing down on it, they will load in and they will be able to choose their own skin, customize their character, and ready up so you can play. So now the host, aka player 1, will be able to start the match, and both of you will share the same screen on your Xbox One console. Each of you will have your own inventory, your own resources, your own currency, and your own health. You will be able to play together, and you can have up to 4 players on local co-op. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player Minecraft Dungeons PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.